Welcome to today's meditation to create balance in your life. When you're ready, sit in an upright position with your back straight and close your eyes. We begin with breath work. Today I'd like you to be a little more intentional with your breath. Place your hand on your chest and the other hand on your stomach. We're going to take 5 deep, nourishing breaths. Breathe in and release. 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 Whilst keeping your hand on your chest and stomach, now breathe at a pace that feels comfortable to you. Really set the intention to feel your breath, to feel the way your chest and your stomach moves. Become present with this sensation. Feel the comfort that it brings. Know that breathing in this way is helping you feel safe, secure, and present in this moment. When you're ready, bring your focus and attention to your mind's eye, which is the space in the middle of your forehead. Breathe into this space. I'd like you to picture a gold measuring scale with many blocks on each side. Allow this scale to sit in whichever way it needs to, representing the current balance within your life. The balance between creation and rest, action and ideation, physical well-being and mental. Your complete balance of your life, represented in this scale. Let it rest where it needs to. Now that you can see the scale, observe the blocks on each side clearly. These blocks are a series of tools that we use in our lives. To balance our scale, we must understand and see these clearly. Is self-discipline outweighing rest, or is it equal? Is work outweighing human connection, or is it equal? Are you learning and applying, or is it equal? Or perhaps it's the opposite. Are you applying more and learning less? Is there more human connection than there is work? Is there more rest than there is self-discipline? None of these are the wrong or right answer. All we need is to bring balance to the both. Each and every tool has its place and is important. So now you must ask yourself, within the meditation, are there any other areas of life that require my balance right now? Allow any answers to flow through. I'll give you a moment to sit with the scale and ask any questions you feel called to see which areas of your life require this balance right now. Now I'd like you to set the intention that we are going to balance this scale out. Whichever side is running heavier, it's now time for us to unload those blocks to create an equal scale. I'd like you to picture yourself doing this, physically removing what isn't serving to create balance in your life. Watch as you begin to remove what doesn't serve, how the scale starts to shift and move towards a more equal and balanced life. As you remove these blocks, ask yourself, what can I do to create more balance in my life? What can I let go of? What do I need more of? What do I need to incorporate? Now that you have removed those blocks that don't serve you, and you have seen yourself have an equal scale, with any wisdom that came through from the questions that you asked, know that you are heard and seen, and that this equality and balance that we have seen in your mind's eye is a reflection of your life now and your future to be. With this equal scale, we can enter life with a new perspective. We can begin creating balance. We can have a balanced life. Hear these next few statements as your truth. I walk into my day and life, releasing the old and embracing the new. Balance is the key of life. I find it easy to live with balance. May all that once was imbalanced find its way to its natural state of balance once again. Take this energy with you into your day and life today. You don't always need to know how, but your purpose is always living through you. You matter, and you do make it. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Remember that we're in this together, we've got this, and I love you.